Lily reacts magnesium with copper sulfate solution. Name this type of reaction. Displacement. Name two properties of this reaction. Copper, magnesium sulfate. Lily adds zinc with magnesium sulfate solution. There's no reaction. Explain why there is no reaction. Zinc is less reactive than magnesium, or zinc is lowered down the reactivities than magnesium. Describe the trend in boiling point from top to the bottom of group 1. Decreases. Predict the melting point of sodium. Range 80 to 120. The diagram is not correct. Write down two ways the diagram is not correct. Nucleus should have a positive charge. 2. Pronoun label should be electron. Write down the name of the scientist. Rutherford. Explain how the particles in an atom are held together. Attraction between protons and electrons. A precipitate is made when two soluble reactants make at least one insoluble product. Safia reacts some white sodium calcium carbonate with dilute hydrochloric acid. Carbon dioxide, water, and color solution of calcium chloride are made in the reaction. Just two observations Safia makes to confirm a medical reaction takes place. 1. Bubbles or fizzing. 2. Color change. During the reaction of dilute hydrochloric acid is neutralized. Describe what happens to the pH of the dilute hydrochloric acid. Increases or gets higher. The atmosphere contains a mixture of gases. What is the percentage of volume in nitrogen in clean dry air? 78%. What is the meaning of the word mixture? At least two substances that are not bonded together. Name the equipment he used to measure the temperature of the acid and the volume of the acid. Temperature with a thermometer, volume with a measuring cylinder. Calculate the change in temperature when Charles uses 50 centimeters of alkaline. Write the answer in the table. 19 plus 5 equals 24. How many electrons are in a molecule of methionine? 10. Write down the type of bonding in a molecule of methionine. Explain your answer. Type of bonding. Kelvin. Explanation. A pair of electrons shared. Methionine has a simple structure. Predict one physical property of methionine. Low melting point. Look at the particle models for elements X, Y, and Z. Write down two characteristics of an element, a substance which only made up out of one type of atom. 2. Which cannot be broken down into anything simpler. Element X reacts with element Z. Look at the particle model of the substance made. Circle the type of substance made. Compound. Copper carbonate is a green solid. When copper carbonate is heated, a black soil called copper oxide is made. Copper dioxide is also made. Write down the name of the reactants and product in this reaction. Reactant, copper carbonate. Products, copper oxide and copper dioxide. A chemical reaction takes place when copper carbonate is heated. Write down two observations that show a chemical reaction takes place. color change, heat, or energy change. Which of the chemical is used to test copper dioxide? Lime water.